Hello, today I'm going to show you how we create contents and how we delete cells or data in the Excel. For example, I want to delete only these data here. So I'll highlight them here and then I will come on the editing part here. I will click on this, the clear button here, click on there. Then we want to clear contents. That is the first thing we want to do. We want to clear contents. So I will click clear contents. And as you can see, the contents have been deleted. But we have remained with everything that was there, formats. Even sometimes you can find everything else has been remained there. So that is how you clear contents. So I do undo and then I repeat it again. So you highlight the data that you want to clear, but you want to maintain the cells and you want to maintain the formats. So you just highlight the data. Then on the editing button here, you clear contents like that and they are cleared. So the next thing I want to show you is how to clear all. So I'll highlight that data and I'll go back to this editing button here. On this drop down arrow, I'll click on it and I clear all. So this one clears everything, even the editing and the stuff. So that is the second way how we clear all. That is clearing the format and the contents and the formats. And then there's a way you can just clear the formats. So for example, all these data are in accounting. So when I clear formats, let me highlight it. And then I go to this editing part, click on this arrow here. And then we want to clear formats. So I've created the formats. So you'll find that everything now is general here. But previously, in Red, it was in accounting format. So that is how you easily clear and delete formats. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.